early Sunday morning in the Peloponnesian hills of western Greece, hundreds of firefighters struggled to control a massive wildfire that had broken out a day earlier near the country's third largest city, Patras. Dozens of homes have already been destroyed, 5 villages evacuated, as temperatures have soared past 40 degrees Celsius, with high winds hampering efforts to extinguish the flames. Southern Europe is currently being baked by an extreme heat wave, worsening wildfires in several countries. Across the Aegean Sea, Turkish officials say more than 100 blazes have now been brought under control after a week in which at least 6 people lost their lives, including 2 firefighters. In Marmaris, where efforts to control a wildfire are ongoing, residents say they were shocked at the speed of the blaze.
The fire started 400 meters from here, and it only took 5 minutes to reach us. Everybody here was crying and screaming for help.
Thousands of Turkish citizens have been evacuated from their homes, with residents and tourists forced to flee the seaside resort of Bodrum by boat as roads were cut off by encroaching flames. While summer wildfires are common in southern Turkey, this year's have been the worst in at least a decade. Nearly 95,000 hectares of Turkish forest have gone up in smoke, far beyond the average of 13,500 for this point in the season. Scientists warn that climate change will drastically worsen summer wildfires as global temperatures rise.